So I busted my 96 part because I could have sworn it was like that. And here's my guide rod for the 96. And, you know, I could swap it out to that and do this. But I could have sworn back in the day that it was like that. I haven't looked at that in a while, but there it is. There's a guide rod for the 96. Good gun too. I got a couple rounds on range with this bad boy. I guess I can play with it real quick and see what Wilson Tactical looks like on this one. Wilson Combat, not Wilson Tactical. I should have weighed him, I guess. I could have weighed him. Ooh, fancy pants. Can't tell a damn difference, but you know, that's what it is. Like I said, I should have looks pretty fancy up in that bad boy, but yeah, I'm gonna get the hammerless, Skeletonize hammer for that too. But you know, I like him a lot. I like my grips on it and stuff like that. So I don't know if I'm going to put that back and put the standard one back in here and go get the Wilson, put it back in the 9mm. But yeah, I gotta do something because I forgot the damn spring, and I could just swap them. But I'll just probably get a Wilson Combat spring, and we'll make it happen. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you like it.